Hello, this is Alex from the National Weather Service in Pocatello with your Sunday morning, January 27th version of the Southeast Idaho Weather and Hazards Briefing. Taking a look at the main impacts over the next few days, we'll once again see some dense freezing fog this morning across much of the area, including I-86 from American Falls to Pocatello and portions of I-15 from Pocatello all the way to the Montana border. We're also seeing some dense fog from Idaho Falls up towards the Montana border and also east to the Teton Valley. And not to be outdone, also some dense fog across the Bear Lake and Idaho portion of the Cache Valley. Late this afternoon into tonight, we'll see an Arctic cold front move through the area. That'll bring a round of mainly light snow to the upper Snake Highlands, so mostly around the Island Park area, south to Palisades and Pine Creek Pass, and some lighter amounts south of there towards the Bear River Range as we get into later Monday. And then that activity will diminish by late Monday, and then we'll see some cold temperatures move in behind that cold front Monday night. So some low wind chills and very cold air for Tuesday morning, and we'll show you the details here shortly. Breaking it down here, looking at the planning timeline, again, the morning fog this morning for the areas we mentioned previously, and the afternoon light snow for the Island Park area. And that expands again across the Teton Valley, portions of the Southeast Highlands and Bear River Range as we get into Monday morning. And then the cold for Tuesday morning. And we're now looking dry for Wednesday. We're looking dry Thursday. A couple of nights ago, we told you there was a chance of snow on Thursday, but now it looks dry. And we don't anticipate now any precipitation coming in until next weekend. And we'll show you what that might look like as well going forward. Taking a look at the satellite image for this morning, we can see here once everything loads for us, some moisture just off the coast here over the Pacific, and we can see the high pressure area still holding firm just off the California coast, and that's forcing the moisture up into Canada and over across Idaho from the northwest. So not a prime pattern for a lot of precipitation for us, and that's one of the reasons why we'll have so little snowfall with the passage of the cold front. First, we want to talk about the temperatures. Not much change for today, getting up well into the 40s across the eastern Magic Valley and above freezing up towards about Blackfoot, but we'll be stuck in the low clouds and fog here across the Arco Desert, so most of those areas staying below freezing here this afternoon. But notice once we get into Monday, notice how those temperatures have cooled behind that cold front, and similar temperatures for Tuesday as well, with most areas staying below freezing. But we do warm up as we get into late week. Here's a peek at those Friday high temperatures, with many areas across the interstate corridor getting above freezing. And a quick look at the low temperatures here for Monday morning. That's when we first start to see the cold air move down from the north. Many single-digit low temperatures for the upper valley, with lows in the teens and 20s as we go from Pocatello towards Burley. But colder Tuesday morning, with many below zero low temperatures across much of the Snake Plain, Arco Desert, upper Snake Highlands, and the valleys towards the Wyoming border. Even teens for areas like the eastern Magic Valley for lows Tuesday morning. And I'll show you the wind chill for this is valid for 8 a.m. Tuesday morning. And we do have some areas here across the Arco Desert where those wind chills approach minus 20. But otherwise, definitely some widespread areas of below zero wind chills for your Tuesday morning. Switching gears here and talking about precipitation, I want to show you the forecast radar with the snow shower activity that's expected from this afternoon through Monday morning. You can see that there in those areas of blue shading on the map. So towards Pine Creek Pass here by this evening and around Island Park, portions of the Teton Valley as well. The darker the blue, the heavier the snow, and you can see not much in the way of those dark blue colors, mostly some light snow showers. And as we get into the overnight hours, those kind of shift southward towards the Bear River Range. Again, it's quite light, and as we go in through the day Monday, most of the activity is gone by then. And let me switch over here and show you what we expect for amounts for this afternoon through Monday morning. You can see those amounts are quite light, less than an inch in most areas, and total possibly an inch or two for, say, Pine Creek Pass and towards Island Park, but generally not a lot of snowfall expected with this one. And I want to switch over here and show you the forecast radar for late week. We're starting it here Friday morning, and we're going to carry you through the day Friday and into next weekend. You can see early indications suggesting the potential for some widespread precipitation with some rain and possibly even some freezing rain Saturday night into Sunday. But of course, that's a long ways out, and we'll continue to monitor that over the next several days. But certainly, that looks like the next potential for widespread impacts next late Friday and into Saturday, and possibly even lingering into early Sunday. But otherwise, that'll conclude your briefing for today. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback, you can direct those to the phone number or email you see there. Thank you.